So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that. I just want to state it. Okay.
stated.
It's on record, right? Okay.
Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
This woman, Brat, came into court acting extremely rude. She had a big attitude and showed no respect at all. She even yelled at Judge Simpson and demanded to know why she wasn't being let out of jail, even though she was arrested for assault. Listening to her talk was honestly painful. She sounded like she believed the law didn't matter to her. Judge Simpson, on the other hand, stayed calm the entire time. Most judges would have shut her down immediately, but he stayed patient and in control. So the big question is this: should someone acting like this be released, or should she stay locked up? Let's take a look.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation, in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you,
I served 30 days already.
and if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount,
Um,
5,000, 10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot,
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All
can't,
right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
I don't understand people who act this way. If you're charged with assault, the first thing you should do is get a lawyer or ask for a public defender. Shouting at a judge will only make your situation worse. It won't help you at all. This woman behaves like a child throwing a fit. There's no maturity, no self-control, and no respect. And this kind of attitude isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. She's already accused of hurting someone, and she refuses to accept responsibility. Right now, she's in jail, which might be the safest place for everyone. She might get bond, but it's hard to believe she would follow the rules. The way she speaks to the judge is shocking. Most people wouldn't even think about talking like that in court. When someone believes they can break the law and then yell their way out of trouble, it shows how far removed they are from reality. What's scary is that people like this are all around us, living normal lives, just one bad decision away from serious problems. Courtrooms are meant to be serious places, but people like her try to turn them into a joke. That says a lot. And once again, Judge Simpson deserves credit for staying calm and professional.
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it gotta go to trial, then it gotta go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or not trial?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, man.
It could have a jury, fine, that's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by parenting. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And
This-
I honestly can't wait to see what happens at her trial. If this hearing tells us anything, the trial is going to be a disaster. I believe she's going to serve the full 90 days. If the jury is paying attention, they won't let her off easy. She's already done some time, and every extra day in jail might be a good thing. Even if she somehow avoids more jail time, her attitude alone made this hearing difficult to watch. Judge Simpson showed amazing patience once again. I don't know how he kept his cool. One moment that stood out was when she blamed her old lawyer with a look like it was their fault she went to jail. But the truth is simple, she assaulted someone. The lawyer didn't. This case shows why the justice system can't give in to loud or disrespectful behavior. If it does, courts would turn into places where entitled people think rules don't matter. So what do you think? Does she deserve the full 90 days, or should she get another chance? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.